After with Tuluwa in our apartment. Welcome to our Colati. Bye-bye kay Kile. Simula nang pumasok ang 2025, ngayong araw ang pinakamainit na temperature and it's 8 degrees lang. So, hindi tayo naka-puff jacket for today pero baon natin siya. Here we are now in IKEA. Madaming tao ngayon sa IKEA. Baka ale-ale. Ale-ale na pamayong. Dito yung mga showroom, no, Daddy, no, sa taas.
Remote lang ako.
Ang hinahanap namin is unan. Unan for sofa and organizer, no? So, dito naman sa baba, yung mga bilihan na mismo. Kukuha kami nito, 1.99 para sa aming Nespresso. Our main agenda, ang magtingin ng unan. 4.99. Nice ng gantong cover. Kaso 12.99 cover lang. Bibili kami ng inner na pillow. 4 euro isa. Green. Anong gusto mong color?
Oh, okay din to.
$6.99. Cactus, oh. Mga legit na cactus. $7.99. Pag kinuha mo siya, nakaganto siya, oh. Ang cute. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakaapak ng buhangin ng beach. Welcome to our Colati.
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay. I'm the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush.
May konting yellow pa sa dagat.
Crush is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like Capallo. All the colors layered on collage.
Ang lamig!
You're a sculptor of Bernini, grow like branches that on deathly turn and living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa.
Hindi namin kinaya yung lamig sa labas. Kakainin muna namin yung baon naming spaghetti. Kain tayo! Spaghetti! Huva paiva kay Kile. For today's video is magkakaroon tayo ng apartment tour. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba ang itsura ng mga apartments dito sa Finland. What are the amenities na included kapag nag-rent kayo dito? And how much ba ang rental per month dito sa Finland? So, I have mentioned also one time na currently, itong tinitirhan namin is a shared apartment. So, obviously, there are parts of this apartment na hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. But without further ado, let's get started! So, we'll start here at the main door. So, ito yung pinaka-main door. Pagpasok nyo, ang unang bubungad sa inyo is isa pang pintuan. Mostly of the apartments dito sa Finland and mga houses are built with double-layered doors. And then, pagpasok nyo dito, you'll see this mini hallway. On the left side, may kita nyo meron tayong malaking cabinet dito which are used for the outdoor wears like jackets and shoes. Dito siya nilalagay. One of the common practice that Finnish people and as Filipinos do and also other Asians do is iiwanan nila yung mga sapatos nila before they enter to their apartment or to their home. So after this cabinet, you'll see here may mirror dito and then meron din doon. Pagkalakad mo, makikita mo may isang pintuan dito. This one is yung room nung kasama namin. And this one is going to the kitchen. Upon renting this apartment, itong dining table is already included. And then, meron tayo ditong dalawang ref, obviously, because this is a shared apartment nga. So, ito yung ginagamit namin na ref. We also have microwave, kasama na rin to. And then, itong lutuan with oven and the dishwasher. Meron din tayong malaking bintana dito and ang tanaw dito is yung parking area. Itong mga bintana dito is double paned window dahil nga sobrang lamig pag winter dito sa Finland. Then meron din tayo ditong electric radiator or warmer. So here in this cabinet, ito is a built-in chopping board daw for breads. And one of the most amazing part ng isang Finnish kitchen is itong dish drying closet. Wherein kapag nagugas ka ng plato, you can directly put na dito yung mga plates and mga baso, and then yung mga excess water nila is kusa nang mahuhulog directly to the sink. And then let's go here. Katabi ng kitchen is itong WC or toilet. So, the WC or CR is very simple lang. Meron ditong washing machine na included, bathtub, at bidet. Next to the CR is another door, which is the storage room naman. So, dito namin nilalagay yung mga iba naming gamit, itong mga maleta, and other stuffs. Then, sa tabi ng storage room is ito ng room namin. Tervetuloa in our apartment! To start with, from the door ng aming room, itong open cabinet yung una nyong makikita, which is our former TV taso. So, nilagay na namin siya dito. And then, dito namin nilagay yung aming Nespresso Virtuo Pop. Sa baba nun, itong fake plant na binili namin sa IKEA. And then, down to it is itong mga Legos ng aming Junakis. And then, sa baba, binili din namin to sa IKEA na lalagyanan, organizers, para hindi man siya makalat tignan. And we put here some of his toys. Sa tapat naman nito, makikita nyo yung aming mini sala. And then, itong bagong pillows na binili namin also from IKEA. Sa side naman nito, makikita nyo is mini play area for our child. So, dito namin nilagay yung mga toys na madalas niyang ginagamit and mga arts na ginagawa niya from his Paivakoti. Ito, nakuha lang din namin to sa may basurahan dun sa baba sa amin. Ito namang round table is from Yusk. Then, next to our mini sala is itong bed na. This is the front view. Andito yung TV namin and our new TV taso. So, binili rin namin siya sa Yusk. And tingnan nyo naman kung gaano siya ka-spacious. We have here closet na binili ni husband sa IKEA. And then, yung pinaka-favorite kong part of this room is itong malaking bintana. Tingnan nyo naman yung view. One of the best thing about this apartment as well is meron kaming balcony. And we also have there an IKEA sofa na nakuha lang din namin sa basurahan. So we're done with the tour inside the apartment. Ngayon naman, i-check naman natin yung mga other amenities na included here. Kami guys is nasa second floor. And then punta naman tayo ngayon doon sa baba niya. Meron din ditong electric radiator or warmer. Then papasok tayo dito. In this area ng building namin, we have communal saunas. Dalawa siya dahil separate yung panlalaki and pambabae. We also have common WC here and itong drying room. Itong drying room, obviously, for drying after nyo mag-laundry. Nakalagay dito yung instruction kung paano gamitin yung drying room. Then, meron din tayo ditong reservation note. Dito mo isusulat kapag nagsampay ka dito or kung gusto mo mag-reserve ng day. Dito rin pala sa laundry area, may daanan papunta sa labas. So, pwede ka rin dumaan dito papasok. So, yan yung labas. On the other side naman is the outdoor equipment storage, like itong parking ng mga bicycle. Then dito naman sa kabilang room na to are storage cages for each apartment for tenants. Ito din yung tinatawag nilang bomb or hard shelter ng building namin that can be used in case of emergency dito sa Finland. And as we can see sa pinto nito, meron siyang symbol ng civil defense.